So now it's time to create the account on Elasticsearch. So I'm in Google Chrome. So let's search the Elasticsearch, and this is the first link that we have to open it. So we'll have to go to the Elasticsearch official page, and we'll have to click on the start free trial. Okay. So as soon as we clicked on the start free trial, we can see this is the sign up page we have received or we have come up with. So I'll go with this sign up with Google. So I have already logged in with the Google account. As you can see, I have already logged in. So I'll just select the relevant account, and I'll just proceed with the sign up. Okay. As you can see, like it is connecting with the expected the Google credential, and it's trying to log into the Elasticsearch directly. So it started asking me the details. Let's try with the full name, that is, let's try with the Nikhil, companies XYZ, or crack .NET interviews. This is the company name which I have given as of now. So let's say I'm new in the Elasticsearch, and what is the primary goal? So we'll have to select the primary goal in the Elasticsearch. So consider current customer training. Okay, so I have selected considering the Elasticsearch for proof of concepts. So this is the options that we have to select it. So we have a three option in front of us, like Elasticsearch. Second is Elastic for observability, and third is Elastic for security. So if we look at the first options, that is build search and vector database application. So like build API to create the search experience easily, then search scalable hybrid vector database to find the relevant results and fast. So let's go ahead with the first option, that is build search and vector database. So then there are two options again, we have to select it. So in our proof of concept, so better we can go ahead with the Elastic Cloud Serverless, because there are these three features, like there are no server nodes or share management required. Then automated scaling, upgrades, and cluster operations is also there. And we have to pay only for compute, storage, and features if you are using. So let's proceed with the option 1, that is Elastic Cloud Serverless. And let's click on continue. And lastly, where would you like to your data to be stored? So we'll by default it was a GCP. So let's proceed with GCP only. It will take some time for loading and making the configuration. As you can see, it is launching our project, the POC project or demo project, we can say. So let's wait. The project is getting launched successfully.